everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a little bit different video today. I'm really excited about it. It is my cleaning product empties. That's what I wanted to say. These are some cleaning products and laundry products that I have used up, and I thought I would share with you the products that I use and my recommendations. It's actually cleaning day here. So it's Sunday. I have no makeup on. I have a little bit of lip gloss and my grubby clothes, and this is just real life. So I thought here's my bag, and it's full, and I thought I would show you everything that I have used up. So I'm just getting my day started. I noticed that the bag was full, so I thought I would share with you the products that I use to clean. Typically I do this on Sunday. I clean, I do laundry, and I do homework. So this is a typical Sunday for me. If by chance on a week I have something going on Sunday, I do this on Saturday, but typically this is my Sunday routine. So I thought I would share this with you. So if you like this type of video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. The first thing I have are these Method Power Dish. They're like little cubes that you put in your dishwasher, whatever. I think these do a really good job. I've used other brands in the past. These have triple action cleaning power. My gosh. They're free and clear. They don't really have a scent or anything. These do a really good job of removing. I wash my dishes and then I put them in the dishwasher for them to be rewashed. So I never put like actual dirty dishes in my dishwasher. So I don't know how they would perform in that scenario, but I do wash my dishes and then I use these. So I like these. I actually repurchased these again. So there you go. I got those. The Mrs. Meyers dish soap and lemon. I used this over the summer. There's just probably a tad left. I probably could use this. I grabbed this off my sink because I'm going to start using the apple cider one that I showed you guys in my fall haul. But love that. Love the Mrs. Meyers dish soap. The lemon verbena was very nice. It's not overpowering of a scent. Just it's a nice clean, I like a lemon scent. So there's that. Typically this is what I buy, is the lemon if I can find it. Just during the fall I buy the apple cider. I have Tide Pods. Now, I don't buy these all the time. And typically, I keep this. This is completely empty. I'll show you. It's completely empty. But I keep this as the container, and then I just buy the refill bags and put those inside of this. I like these for if I have really dirty clothes, if I'm washing clothes of my boys that are really dirty and smelly, hockey stuff, whatever. I use these. So I definitely would repurchase these, but that's typically the only time that I use the Tide. I use multiple laundry. Sometime maybe I'll do a laundry routine and show you my thought process on laundry. It's very odd, I guess. I don't know what other people do, but I have different products for different things. So this is for dirty clothes. Does a nice job. So I just get the Spring Meadow, or actually I buy any scent, but that one's Spring Meadow. All right, I get this glass cleaner. This glass cleaner, it's streakless, and it is. It is absolutely, I don't buy Windex. I don't buy anything else. I only use this. I get it at Walmart. It's inexpensive. I want to say it's like $2. It's inexpensive. It's spray. And there's something about the smell of this. When I was growing up, we always went to Myrtle Beach. And we all know I love Myrtle Beach and I love the beach and okay, whatever. So we stayed in the same hotel from the time I was 5 until, I think it's been about 3 years ago they sold the hotel. I was friends with the owners, blah, 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 whatever. And that's a whole long story. Anyhow, that's where I met my best friend. Okay. So I can remember as a kid, and even as I got older, you know, I would sometimes be in the room at lunch and the maids would come and they would clean. I swear they use this because every time I spray this, it reminds me of the Seahorn. That's the hotel. So this reminds me of the Seahorn, but I don't use it solely for that reason. I use it mainly because it does such a killer job. I use this on my car. I use this in the house. If it's glass, I use that. So there's that. The next thing I have here is the Method Bathroom Cleaner, Natural Tub and Tile Cleaner. Is it a scent? Eucalyptus mint is what this is. It's okay. For grime and stuff, I'm trying out some other products and kind of going a little bit different. I know this is a little safer, I guess, but it gets the grime, but you got to work at it. So I'm trying a few other things out because I'm lazy cleaner and I don't have time to be scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing. So this did an okay job. I mean, if I had to, I would use that again. So this is from the dollar store, so it was a whole $1, and it's floor cleaner. So if I'm going to use a mop, which I'm kind of getting away from and trying a few other things, I use this in a bucket and, you know, mop the floor. I like this, especially in the bathroom. I just think it does a really good job. Mountain Fresh, and it was $1, the Dollar Tree. So if you needed it, I would get it at the Dollar Tree. Here's another, ooh, and I can still smell it. Oh, it smells good. Another laundry product is the Snuggle Scent Boosters. And these are little packets as well. I like these for my towels and my sheets. And that's what I use these for. I don't use these in my clothing. It's really dusty. My laundry room's a mess. Anyway, I feel like I can't ever keep the laundry room clean. Is it just me? I mean, it's like dust bills, whatever. Moving on. But I like these for towels and sheets. So, using a few other things right now, but I would purchase these again because, I mean, and they were the Lavender Joy scent, in case you're wondering. Okay. You have an empty, and it's really gross. It's really gross. But an all super concentrated, it's okay. I wouldn't purchase this again, and I have not purchased this again. It was one of the first things I put into my little bag of empties. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not my favorite laundry soap. So there's that. This is my favorite laundry soap, and it's the Method, which I just bought a new one, the Beach Sage. It's my favorite. I use the fabric softener, which I seem to always have more of the laundry of the fabric softener. I also use the little scent beads, again with towels or sheets. So anyway, but I like this method, and you don't have to use very much of this. So this does a really nice job. So there you go. That is everything I have in my little empties that I'm going to be getting rid of. So that was my little trash bag. So now I can throw that away. Yay! If you like this type of video, again, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I would love to have you come back and see more videos. All right, I'm getting back to my cleaning because now I have dust flying everywhere and it's making me crazy. So anyway, I know when you watch this, it won't be Sunday, but it's cleaning day here, hair in the bun, you know. So anyway, I'm getting back to my cleaning. I just wanted to stop and do that. If you want to see more cleaning videos, definitely leave me a comment. I'll be happy to do it. So, all right, have a great day. See you soon. Bye.